Hey guys, so I found this interesting behavior of React Router DOM, where if you have a form in which you submit that form via the action to another page, and on the other page you do some sort of update on the search params, the URL, the data that you submitted from one page to the other page using the actions will actually vanish. So to better explain it, let's say I have this simple form over here. So I enter in maybe a name or something. So I give it whatever. I submit this page to another, submit that data to another page, and you can see over here the other page is called route. So here we have black, and let's say, for example, on this particular page or modal or whatever it is, you want to do some sort of React query. Want to do some sort of form input or whatever kind of action that you're going to do, but which also affects the URL. So let's say, for example, it's going to have like search equals to you something, right? But I want to do that, perform that kind of behavior. So over in this page, I have this simple form, and then it's going to update the URL search query. So let's say I'm going to enter in some value, but you will notice that when I enter in the value, the black that I submitted to this page actually is gone. Do that all again. So let's give it a name. So veil, and I come here and just say, wow, the value is gone. And I think it's quite interesting because I think this is not really a problem, but it's how the React router handles this kind of form submission via actions. So it's possible that on this particular page where you submitted that form through the actions here, this page re-renders, but with the action data lost because it's not cached or it's not saving to state or anything of that sort. So if we want to actually fix this kind of issue, so if we go back to the code, so there's a very simple code, a simple 2 pages. One is the form, one is the home page, and the other is the create page, which has the useSearchParams. So in this particular case, this is what the whole behavior is. And if you take a look at the action itself, you are grabbing the name from the form data and then showing that onto the page over here. So we want to actually fix this kind of issue where we submit it's any kind of value, but when the moment you make some changes via the query params, it actually vanishes. So the best solution that I've found out is to just use state. At least for now, is to simply just use state. So let's say, for example, I'm just going to say params. I didn't even call it params. Let's change this to value. This to value. Change this to value. So we want to submit again. Let's call it whatever this is, and submit that here. And instead of using the search params, going to use the state, and turns out this works. So it's not causing any kind of problem. This is something small that I discovered. I don't know if it's an issue or it's just how it is, but basically solving this kind of problem is just using state, at least for now. All right, so thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.